Hello, welcome back to our channel Super SRINIVAS. Today's our topic is complex numbers. Complex numbers topic square root of a complex number. Square root of a complex number z is equals to a plus ib plus r minus ib. Step 1. Shortcut. First find mod z is equals to mod a plus r minus ib. Then is equals to under root of a square plus b square. Step 1. Next, step 2. Let us consider root z is equals to plus r minus x plus r minus iy. Step 3. We have x is equals to under root of x mod z plus a by z and y is equals to mod z minus a by z. Okay, example for this. Example 1. The square root of 3 plus 4i dash. Solution mod z is equals to mod 3 plus 4i, that is equals to under root of 3 square plus 4 square is equals to 9 plus 16, that is equals to root 25, that is equals to 5. Here a is equals to 3. Now x is equals to under root of mod z plus a by 2 is equals to under root of 8 plus 8 by 2 is equals to root 4 is equals to 2. Then y is equals to under root of mod z minus a by 2 is equals to under root of 2 by 2 is equals to 1. Then root 3 plus 4i is equals to plus r minus x plus iy, that is equals to, that is answer is plus r minus 2 plus I, x value and y value. First, these steps are used in this problem, example problem. Mod first step is mod z is equals to mod a plus r minus ib is equals to under root of a square plus b square. That first step apply in this, and mod z value is equals to 5. Let root z is equals to plus r minus x plus iy. That this form we can find this form, but we want x values and y values. Here we have in the third step x value is equals to mod z plus a by z, y value is equals to mod z minus a by z. A value here 3. Here 3 under root of z value 5. 5 plus 3 8 by 2. 5 minus 3 2 by 2. Yeah, this is the answer. Next example 2. The square root of 3 minus 4i is dash. Solution mod z is equals to mod 3 minus 4i, that is equals to under root of 3 square plus 4 square, that is equals to 9 plus 16, that is equals to root 25, that is equals to 5 answer. Then x values and y values, we find x values and y values. X value, x is equals to under root of mod, x is equals to under root of mod z plus a by 2 is equals to mod z value 5 plus 3 8 by 2, that is equals to 4, and y value y is equals to mod z under root of mod z minus a by 2, that is equals to under root of 4 5 minus 3, 2 by 2 is equals to 1. Here that answer is root 3 minus 4i is equals to plus or minus x plus iy, that is equals to plus or minus x value 4 plus y is equals to 1. Then 4 plus I. Yeah, here it is the answer. No, root 4 value 2. Here, yes, root 4 value 2. 2 plus I. Minus. Here minus, minus and minus I. Next example, another example. Example 3. The square root of 5 plus 2i dash. Mod z is equals to mod 5 plus 2i, 12i. It is equals to under root of 25 plus root 25 plus 144, that is equals to root 169, that is equals to 13. Then here a is equals to 5, then x is equals to under root of mod z plus a by 2, 9 is equals to 3, then y is equals to mod z minus a by 2, that is equals to mod z 13, 13 minus a value 5, 13 minus 5, 8 by 2 means 4 is equals to 2. Here root 5 plus 12i is equals to plus or minus x plus iy, that is equals to plus or minus 3 plus 2i. Another example. Another example, square. Find the square root of 7 minus 24i. Solution. Mod z is equals to 7 minus 24i mod, that is equals to under root of 7 square plus 24 square, that is equals to 49 plus 576, that is equals to 625, that is equals to 25. X is equals to under root of mod x mod z by z plus a by 2 is equals to root mod z value 25 plus 7 32 by 2 16, that is equals to 4, and y is equals to under root of mod z minus a by 2 is equals to under root of that 25 minus 7 by 2. 18 root 18 by 2 9 3. Then root 7 minus 24 high value is equals to plus or minus x plus iy, that is equals to plus or minus of x value 4 and plus I 3, y value is 3. Here minus, I think here minus sign, minus. Okay, next example 5. Square root of minus 5 plus 12i mod z is equals to mod minus 5 plus root 12 under root of 5 square plus 12 square, that is equals to root 25 plus 144, that is equals to root 169, that is equals to 13. a value here, a is equals to minus 5, then x is equals to under root of mod z plus a by 2 is equals to root 4 is equals to 2, and then y is equals to under root of mod z minus a by 2 root 9 is equals to 3. Answer: root minus 5 plus 12i is equals to plus r minus x plus iy is equals to plus r minus 2 plus 3i. Okay, square problems are completed. Another one small concept is there, and properties of cube, properties of unity are there in next class, and locals of complex numbers also not completed. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Super SRINIVAS. Don't forget to subscribe.